see where we ran into an issue here with the aftermarket quarter panel not stamped correctly. It was too close to the top of the door. It was actually rubbing on the tip there, so had to make some relief cuts there, hammer them back, stitch weld them shut. Now I'm going to pull the quarter back off again, weld those solid from the back side. Sometimes you got to make some corrections. Here's the top of our door jamb here. We got it all welded up now. You can see the gap looks a lot better. A little more adjusting here. You can see the aftermarket panel, the pitch of the quarter doesn't quite match the angle of the door here. So we got some hammering and tweaking to do on the door and possibly more on that panel yet. And we'll be ready to tack her to the sail panel.
Established.
Got all our panels aligned and looking good. Gaps look good. Except for our brand new fender over here that decided to be built a tad too short. Can't slide this up any further or it's gonna screw the gap up to the hood. So, can't be having that trash. So we gotta cut and re-weld. Finished with all the stitch welding and grinding. Got it looking like original again. Got our panels lined up perfectly at the tip there. A lot more to it than just throwing on panels and painting them.